Imagine controlling the weather with the flip of a switch. This captivating idea is tied to the High-Frequency Active Auroral Research Program, or HAARP. Located in Alaska, HAARP was originally designed for studying the ionosphere to improve communication and surveillance technologies. Yet, it has sparked widespread conspiracy theories. Some claim it has the power to manipulate weather, trigger earthquakes, or even control minds. Accusations fueled by its secretive operations and powerful antennas. However, scientific consensus assures us HAARP's capabilities are far from these supernatural claims. While understanding nature's forces is key to advancement, HAARP's real impact is decidedly mundane. A reminder that often, the truth is far less exhilarating than the stories we weave around it.